As we grow, we need to make it a little bit more formal and stuff. So right now, whenever you go in the settings item up here, you'll now see a support tickets item. And from within support tickets, you can click on the little plus up at the top. These are just test ones that I've been putting in. Let me say open here. So you'll come in here, and if you've got some kind of problem, question, whatever, click on the little plus, put in a title of what your, some topic title of some sort. You can type in what you want to there. I do need to add a microphone to this to let it do voice as well. Set a priority to it. If you've got screen information, like something, I'm just going to grab an image here. You can come to this and just Control V to paste it, and it'll paste that screenshot into this. Once you put in the title and description, click Submit Ticket, it will then take that information. It emails us so that we know that it came in. We can deal with it, give responses and stuff like that. What will happen is you'll then get that ticket, whatever that ticket is. You'll see that it's in there. You can click on it and you can see more details. If you need to give more information about it, whatever, you can put that in there, submit more of a response. If you figured it out, you can resolve it yourself, just get it off the list. If you've got to upload more photos, you can do that. What will happen is we will actually get notification of that message. We'll come in. We're going to have AI kind of pre-screen it, see if it already knows the answer, and auto submit a response to you. If it doesn't, it's going to let us know. We will then come in and we'll put in some kind of response to that. You will then get notified, not only that you posted the ticket, but you'll get notified whenever we respond to that ticket. And then you'll be able to then see that in your, instead of opens, it'll be in process. Once it's in process, we're just trying to help track the issue so we don't lose them. Quite honestly, emails come in, we get lots of emails. We just don't want to be losing them. So this is a way for us to be able to track them. Is this the final version of it? No, there's still a lot more to come. It may change its look and feel a little bit, make it a little bit easier to read, but at least now you guys can submit tickets and stuff. Now, Jose, I know you send stuff through video. You can just paste the link on. That way, we know that we got it, and then we can track it better. It's really what it comes down to, is making sure we track it. So I feel like at times we're so busy trying to make new features and stuff that sometimes we may drop the ball. I hope not, but if we do, this will help hold us accountable. So